In this video, I'll show you how to make a people chart in Excel using simple shapes and a regular column chart. This will help you turn numbers into visuals that look like people icons. First, open your Excel file and select the data you want to use in the chart. Make sure your data has categories and numbers. Next, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. In the Charts section, choose the 2D clustered column chart. This will create a basic column chart using your data. Now, let's clean it up. Click on the chart title and press Delete. Do the same for the grid lines. Then, go back to the Insert tab. Look for the section called Illustrations and click on Icons. In the search bar, type the word People. Choose an icon of a person. It should be simple and clear. Click Insert. The icon will appear on your sheet. Now, copy and paste that icon so that you have two of them. We're going to prepare these icons for the chart. Click on the right icon. Go to the Graphics Format tab. Set the fill color to No Fill. Then, change the outline color to red. Click on the left icon. Set the fill color to red. Set the outline to No Outline. Now, let's bring these icons into the chart. Click on the solid red icon. Press Ctrl and X to cut it. Click on the blue bar in the chart. That's your first data series. Press Ctrl and V to paste the icon onto it. Now, cut the red outlined icon by pressing Ctrl and X. Click on the orange bar in the chart. That's your second data series. Press Ctrl and V to paste the second icon onto that one. Now, right-click on the red solid icon that is now showing in the chart. Choose Format Data Series. On the right, under Series Options, set the series overlap to 100%. Set the gap width to 0%. Next, go to the Fill and Line tab. Check the option called Stack and Scale With. This will make your icons stack up based on the values in your chart. Now, change the numbers in your data to see how the chart changes. The people icons will grow or shrink based on your numbers. This is a simple way to create a people chart in Excel without using any add-ins. You can now use this chart to make your reports or presentations more visual and easier to understand. Thanks for watching.